Hello guys, this is Jendi, and as always, welcome back to my channel. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. And today I want us to talk on how much can you make for 1,000 views when you are in Kenya. Yes, some people have been asking me how much money do you make on YouTube, does YouTube pay, or what happens, can I make YouTube my main hustle? And today I want to show you how much money I made on the month of May and how much can you earn on YouTube using one video. I'll show you how much I earned on a certain video, the minimum that I earned from a video and the maximum I've earned on a video. So guys, I want us to go straight to the video so that you can see how much I earned on May and how much you can earn from a single video, because you will see that the RPM is the amount of money you earn per 1,000 views. You understand that? The amount of money you earn from 1,000 views. So that means if I'm earning 500 shillings in 1,000 views, that means if I get 5,000 views, I'm going to get 500 times 5. You understand? So if I'm getting 100 bob, that is $1 in a video, that means I'm going to get 500 shillings or $5 in 5,000 views. And without wasting time, let's go straight to the YouTube Creator Studio, the analytics section for May 2021. Yes, this is the amount of money that I made on May 2021, and as you can see here, I got 11.7k views and 799.8 hours, and I got 256 subscribers and 7,486,000 Kenya shillings. And I want us to check on the revenue part, where you can see the estimated amount and the RPM. RPM is the amount you are paid for 1,000 views. Like for every 1,000 views, I was paid 668. And as you can see, sometimes you can see the video that is performing well. I narrowly escaped something. I got 1,067 shillings, and the other video here I got 866, the other one and the sort. So I want us to check how much one video earns. And as I said before, it depends on the video that the content of your video. An example is this certain video here, Barababa from Nakuru. You can see this video got 1,319 views. But the same video got 43.2 hours. It gave us 20 subscribers, but the revenue was 14 bob out of 1,319 views. So that tells you that the RPM was very, very little. And I don't know where is the RPM of this video. I would have loved to see the RPM for this video. So I'm going to go to content. Then I'm going to go to Embaraba from Nakuru. Let's see, let me make 50 per row, per page, I mean. So I'm going to look for that specific video. the specific videos down here. I have many content that I made within that 1 month, and let's find it here. Almost there. Bam, from Nakuru. And actually we are going to look at the analytics for since the video was published. I want you to get this right. We are going to see the analytics of this video since the video was published. And as you can see, the video since it was published, since April 24th, it has got 2.6k views, and 80.6 watch time hours, and 45 subscribers. And the worst part is the estimated revenue. Like the video has got only 21 shillings out of the 2.6k views. So you can see the RPM. That means for every 1,000 views, I'm getting 8 bob. I want you to get this right. For every 1,000 views, I'm getting 8 bob. For this certain video. So the estimated, since this video was published, I've only earned 21 bob using this video. So guys, as you can see, the video doesn't earn any money. So you see, the kind of content that you are doing matters a lot, because you can be able to tell if this video is doing well or the video is not doing well. We want to compare a video that I feel has done a bit well, and the video is here. I now escaped death from drug abuse, and we will go to analytics. When you go to analytics, you can see the video has 572 views. It has 77.8 watch time hours. It has gained my account 13 subscribers, and my estimated revenue is 1,068 shillings. And when you go to the revenue, you can see my RPM here is a bit higher. It's 1895, that is 1,895, and you can see the estimated revenue and the playback based CPM. That means most of my viewers came from where the adverts are a bit higher. So you can see this video. If you compare this video with the other one, you can see that I have made more money than on that other video, which had 2,600 views and only got me 21 shillings, compared to this one that has 1,068 and has only 572 views. So guys, from these I want you to learn something, that the kind of content that you create matters a lot. The kind of audience that you're targeting really matters a lot, because YouTube will only place adverts that are suitable for most advertisers. They will not put, or rather, advertisers will not put their ads on your content that is not suitable for them. That means the people who are watching your content must feel or digest or consume that advert. So guys, this is one thing that you need to check on before you start a YouTube channel, or if you're using a YouTube channel, YouTube rather, to make revenue, you should concentrate on the content that is earning you money. Because if I did more of these, let's say within the last 30 days, if I made such a video, 30 videos in that month every day, and the video got 572 views, and let's assume I got 1,000, that means I would have earned 30,000 Kenya shillings. And the other video, if I made similar videos for 30 days and I got 21 bob, that means I would get around 700 Kenya shillings. So you see, you can have 100,000 views and get little money, and 100,000 views and then you get around 1 million Kenya shillings. So it matters with the content, and then where the paybacks are coming from. There's the payback based CPM. So you should consider the kind of content. Guys, as you have seen, it matters the kind of content that you have created. It's going to show you how much money you're going to get. Like you have seen in that video, how to be Embaragwa from Nakuru. I have just earned 21 shillings. Just 21 shillings from that video. And the other video, how I narrowly escaped from death from using drugs, I have earned 1,067 shillings. So guys, it matters the kind of content that you're creating. You can have a video with 100,000 views earning you only 1,000 Kenya shillings, and you can have a video with 5,000 views earning you 50,000 shillings. So guys, let's keep on working. If YouTube is your thing, if you want to make money on YouTube, you need to have new ideas on how to make money on YouTube. Different ways to make money on YouTube, how to define your audience, a few things that you need to know before you start making money on YouTube, or how to increase your YouTube revenue month after month. So guys, till next time, this is Jendi, and I love you all, and please subscribe if you have not subscribed. And if you want to share with your friends who have been asking you how much you can make from YouTube, or how you can make money on YouTube, share this video with them. And till next time.